Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install QuickBooks chart of accounts for cleaner tax categorization, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening QuickBooks on your computer. Log in to your QuickBooks account using your credentials. Navigate to the accounting menu located on the left sidebar. Select Chart of Accounts from the drop-down options. Click on the green button labeled New to create a new account. Choose the appropriate account type from the options provided. Assign a name to your account, ensuring it is descriptive and easy to identify. Enter a detailed description of the account to clarify its purpose. Set the account balance to 0 or the starting balance if applicable. Determine whether the account should be active or inactive. If relevant, select a parent account to help organize your chart of accounts. Click Save and Close to register the new account. Repeat these steps for any additional accounts you need to set up. Once all accounts are created, review your chart for accuracy and completeness. Organize accounts into categories for better visibility and management. Utilize the filtering options to categorize accounts by type or status. For tax purposes, assign appropriate tax categories to each account as necessary. Regularly update and maintain the chart of accounts for ongoing clarity. Use reports to analyze your financial data periodically. Consult QuickBooks online help or tutorials if you encounter any issues. Ensure you back up your company file after major updates. This will help maintain your financial data integrity. With these steps, you can streamline your QuickBooks chart of accounts for cleaner tax categorization. By organizing your accounts effectively, you will simplify your financial tracking. Implement these practices for a more efficient accounting experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.